I have about 6 hours on this thing. Yep, 6 hours. And today we're going to remove the deck. But anyways, so there's just only like 3 places where you can disconnect this. So you have to remove this here on this side. There's one on this side as well. One in here. So there's 4. There's 1, there's 2 in there. There's one on the other side, and then you have the belt. Okay, so, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some like planks under here to support it a little bit when it falls. I'm just gonna place these kind of like in the right spot, so when it drops, see that right there, I'm gonna drop it back down, and I'm gonna put another set in the front, just like that. So I got little pliers here. I'm just gonna try to pull it out. Like, yep, just like that. Yep. Put it right here. Do one on this side as well. I guess you don't even need the pliers. Just shimmying it out. There you go. Leave this one there. I got the one in the center. Okay. All right. There we go. And as you can see, this one has a washer. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Just gonna extend it. There's an extension. Okay. There we go. So when you push away from you, you see the belt loosen up a little bit. And when it loosen up, you're gonna lift it from the pulley. Do that. Way back there, see that right there, that other pulley, that's where it comes out of. Now you want to make sure you just disconnect these clips from here like so. The board is out and this is disconnected. The belt is off. That one is also disconnected, as well as this one is disconnected. So we should be able to just slide this thing out. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Alright, this is it, guys. So this is the mower deck out of the John Deere 300 series Z315. In order for you to remove the belt, you actually have to remove this pulley here, and I'm not really gonna do that. So what I did, I just wrapped it around, put it on that side, and yeah, it's not that difficult to do. Like I said, there's just some bolts, and there's one on this side, there's another one on the other side, and then there's one in the center, which is that one right there, and then the belt is being held by the transmission, which is back there on a pulley. So you just have to get a wrench. Yep. Stick that in here. And then you loosen it. And you'll be able to take the belt off. Once you do that, you should be able to push it out. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try to put this back. So what I'm gonna do is I put it on a piece of cardboard. Then I'm gonna drag the cardboard under the mower, and then we'll attach everything back. It's probably better to remove the front piece. So the belt goes, it comes through there, wraps here, comes back, and go through these two in the intersection, and then connects to the transmission. So let's see if we can. I was struggling with this for a while because I couldn't figure out how the belt was facing, because I never took this piece out. I never took the belt completely out. I left it here. So if you did what I did when trying to put this belt back on, you have to make sure the belt is facing like this. See, it has a different end, different side. You want to make sure it's facing away from you. Then you throw it in here, and then it goes down the back. It should come back up. So I'm actually gonna do the back first. Loosen this out. Okay, so here it is. You can see go straight down the back, comes up, goes through this pulley, and those two pulleys over there, and it is good and tight. Now you just gotta put the cover back on, and you're good to go.